How to earn $2 per minute. Make money online. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could fill your PayPal account with $2 every 60 seconds? This exciting opportunity is not just free, but open to anyone, anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on this potential goldmine. Skipping this could mean missing out on some valuable market insights. Greetings and welcome to Profitability Plus, your trusted source for insights into the world of making money online. In this video, we're about to unveil an exciting and straightforward strategy that can turn your idle moments into cash flow. The best part? You don't need to be a YouTube sensation, create your videos, or manage a channel. It's much simpler than you might think. So let's dive right into the 6 straightforward steps that could lead you to financial rewards beyond your expectations. Step 1. Your gateway to earnings. Our first stop is YouTube, the epicenter of online video content. However, let's dispel any misconceptions right away. There's no need for fancy video production or channel management. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to explore the vast landscape of existing make money online channels. The internet is teeming with them, and you can choose from a plethora of options, such as Cash Pro, Incognito Money, Finance Girl, How to Make Money Online, and countless others. You have the freedom to pick the channels that resonate with your interests. In fact, you can even use our channel for this venture. We generously grant you the rights to employ our channel for this money-making strategy. And if you're feeling ambitious, why not dabble in multiple channels simultaneously? This clever move can substantially amplify your potential profits. Step 2. Power up your strategy. Now that you've set foot in the world of online money making, let's power up your strategy. It's time to create a dedicated Facebook account for this purpose. Even if you already have a personal Facebook account, we strongly advise setting up a fresh, new one exclusively for this endeavor. With your account in place, we introduce you to a game-changing tool, Sniply.io. This ingenious platform empowers you to add compelling call-to-action buttons to a variety of websites and articles. In the subsequent steps, we'll unveil how Sniply.io can be an invaluable companion in this cash-generating journey. Step 3. Target your audience. Now, let's take a step back to YouTube, this time with a more specific focus on your chosen Make Money Online channel. Venture into the channel's video section and keep an eye out for videos that prominently feature the tantalizing word "free" in their titles. These videos signify strategies that require no initial financial investments. For instance, you might encounter a video boldly titled "Copy and Paste to Earn $12,000 per week for free." Your task is to copy the URL of this enticing video and return to the trusty Sniply.io. It's in this domain that you'll craft and set up your call to action, tailor-made for the video you've chosen. Step 4. Access the goldmine. With your strategy in place, let's explore aftplus.com, an exceptional CPA or cost per action offers network teeming with opportunities accessible worldwide. The concept behind CPA is beautifully straightforward. You can earn money by encouraging individuals to sign up for various offers. Our focus in this method primarily centers on offers related to surveys. The allure lies in the fact that for every successful sign-up, you can potentially earn anywhere from $1 to a substantial $6. This is essentially a goldmine of untapped potential, waiting for you to explore and exploit. Step 5. Craft your money-making message. Returning to the familiar grounds of Sniply.io, it's time to give life to your message. An attention-grabbing phrase like, "Make free money with this website," will serve as your golden ticket to capturing the interest of potential participants. To add an extra layer of enticement, you can customize the call to action button text with something alluring such as "Sign up here" or "Learn more." The piece de resistance is ensuring that the default link is promptly replaced with your CPA offers affiliate link. This step guarantees that users are led to the sign-up page, ushering them into the realm of potential earnings. Step 6. Share and watch the magic happen. With your Sniply URL primed and ready, it's time to set the magic in motion. Share your Sniply link across various Facebook groups dedicated to the enticing world of making money online and the realm of work-from-home opportunities. The results may pleasantly surprise you as you witness the levels of interest and engagement it generates. This step is where you'll truly witness the financial possibilities that lie in store for those who dare to explore this innovative money-making method. So there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of the 6 steps that could lead to a continuous influx of $2 payments directly to your PayPal account, all within the span of just 1 minute. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of this strategy, unlocking its full potential. We are Profitability Plus, your trusted source for making money online. Ready to take the plunge and transform idle moments into a continuous stream of $2 deposits into your PayPal account, all without having to invest a single cent. This is your opportunity, your golden ticket to financial independence. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of a simple yet powerful strategy that has the potential to turn every minute into a financial opportunity. It's free, it's open to the entire globe, and it's waiting for you to seize it. So why wait? Take action and observe your earnings soar. That concludes today's episode of Profitability Plus. If you're eager for more money-making insights and ideas, simply click on the video currently displayed on your screen. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your financial success.